Hey guys, it's Mike from Rollin Into Retirement, that channel that brings you RV tips, RV walkarounds, RV reviews, food and wine, photography, and occasionally something a little bit stinky and smelly that you hate to do, like replacing an RV sewer tank valve. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, what we're going to do today is replace the waste valve on the back bathroom. I had to replace the front one about a month ago because it was leaking, and we found that once that was done, the pull valve was so much easier to use than this one that's right here. So I just decided to pick up another one. They're cheap. I'll put a link to it down in the description below, and they're easy to replace. There's 4 7/16 nuts and bolts here that have to come out, and I'll be using just a open-end wrench with the little ratchet. You can pretty much use whatever you want and that'll fit in there, and a socket. Okay, so beforehand what I had to do was, to be nice and clean and safe, I've flushed the tank out till you see clear water, and I then took out the Stinky Slinky. I'll use that coin from Matt's RV reviews. He calls them the Stinky Slinky. I love that. And so now it's ready to be taken apart when you open it up. You get the valve, you get 2 clean seals, and new hardware. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, of course, put on some throwaway gloves, just in case we get a little leakage, which we probably will. And what we're going to do is take out alright. And they're relatively easy to take off. There's going to be one in the back that I know is going to be a little bit of a bear to take out. Oh, they got them. So you can see as it comes out, you're going to get a little bit of water, but because I flushed it out nice and clean, it comes out as clear water. So, the old one, and there you go with that. Get some of that clear water out. Now we go to replace it with the new one. Now here, you just have to make sure that you place the flanges correctly inside. And it would be difficult to do it the wrong way. You can actually see that it's sitting in there nice and clear. So the next, make sure it doesn't come out. That helps. All right. That flange seems to be in there. All right. Yep. Seems to be. Let's go ahead. Okay, so as we finish this, you just want to be sure that you don't over tighten it, but you want to make it just tight enough so the flanges take place and you don't have any leakage. Just going to check a couple of these last ones. And the one in the back should be pretty good as well. But keep in mind, while I was doing it, I ran into some issues. That far back bolt, actually in the bottom up here, was a little difficult to see. I ran into that problem on the other side too, but this one is actually really was a little bit easier. Maybe a little bit smaller wrench would have helped as well, but it's all there. And what we'll do now is we'll check for leaks. You can see right now, if Betty Ann will make sure she pans up to the hose, you can see I'm doing a black tank flush. So I'm going to actually pull, and you can see it's been running a while and we have no leaks. Well, there you have it. That's the installation of the Valterra waste valve. We went ahead and replaced it. Much easier to use now. We did run into a little bit of a problem. My socket was just a little bit too long. I had to use a shorter socket. The nuts and bolts in the back are a little bit hard to get to. And full disclosure, when I put it together the first time and I did the check with water, I did get a little bit of leakage. I took it apart. I saw that one of the flanges was just off kilter. Fixed it, dry as a bone now, did the test again. So if you see anything that I might have missed or a different way you would have done it, leave it in the comments below. Please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you like the video, subscribe, and hit that little alarm bell so you know when we have new videos. Thanks again for watching.